you go first.
Yeah, right.
Hold on, we
So we have to wait in the row. Okay.
Yeah, once we get past it.
Now? Okay, sweet. Yeah, so I'm from Auckland originally. Grew up there, and then moved down here in 2023 to pursue a career in wine, and yeah, been here 3 years now, and yeah, it's going great.
And I'm Travis. I'm also from Auckland, and I moved down here in 2025. To become a winemaker as well. So that's
How
why.
many harvests have you done?
This will be my third harvest in Marlborough, and fourth in total. So yeah, pretty new.
This will be my third harvest in total, and my second at Spy.
And how do you explain your role to someone new?
So I normally work in the vineyard. I sort of look after the vines, make sure they're sort of disease-free and growing healthily, and the fruit's high quality. But at the moment, I'm actually working in the winery to sort of see the other side of the curtain. Yeah, it's good to have the other experience. So yeah, we're sort of just in the process of taking in the fruit at the moment. It's harvest time here, so we're processing the fruit and turning it into some tasty wine.
Yeah, I would say about the same thing. Just like we're in the winery, actually making the wine. We're hands-on a lot of the time. So
Beer or bed?
Beer or bed? Beer.
beer,
Sleep or shower?
Shower.
sleep,
Shower.
Coffee or energy drink?
Coffee.
energy drink.
Best part of harvest?
Drinking.
Yeah, drinking,
Worst part of harvest?
Cleaning.
cleaning.
Hardest part of harvest?
Putting up with his
With me,
crap.
Probably waking up, to be honest.
Night shift or day shift?
Day shift. But yeah.
Day shift.
I'm on night shift.
So you would say night shift, would you not?
Tank cleaning or pump overs?
Pump overs.
One word for this vintage?
New.
Friends.
Aw.
Push it or play it safe?
Bullshit.
Play it safe.
Ask for help or power through?
Power through.
Ask for help.
Inside the winery or outside on the vineyards?
Vineyard.
Winery.
Say it no or try it once?
Try it once.
Auckland or Marlborough?
Marlborough.
Auckland.
Clean tanks or check ferments?
Check ferments.
I've never checked ferments before, but cleaning tanks is pretty average. So yeah, I'm gonna say check ferments.
Music or silence?
Music.
Madonna or Gaga?
Gaga. Madonna.
Madonna or
We're,
Lady Gaga?
we're not old enough for that. We
Probably Gaga. Lady Gaga. Yeah.
Cooking or takeaway?
Cooking.
take away.
One glass or the whole bottle?
Whole bottle.
Whole bottle.
Open with friends or open alone?
Alone.
Fast day or slow day?
Fast
Fast.
day.
Would you do another harvest?
Yes.
Yeah.
What will you remember the most about this vintage?
Probably
Working with my mate.
Yeah, probably all the friends we make. During
The real vintage was the friends we made along the way.
Exactly.
When is the moment you realize this is harvest?
I guess the first fruit coming in, I
Yeah.
suppose.
First pick.
What's the most satisfying thing of working in a winery?
I would say pressing grapes, to be honest. When you see all the grapes come in and then turns into juice, you pump that into tanks and seeing that complete difference of juice to grapes, it's pretty satisfying.
It's almost like a sort of, from like the vineyard perspective, it's almost like this cathartic thing where it's like we've worked so hard to grow these all year, and then it's like almost like a safety thing, like phew, it's in the tank now, it's like ready to go, it's just sort of tucked away, and it's sort of just a waiting game from there on. So yeah, it's a
What's
good
the-
feeling.
What's the first thing you do when your shift ends?
Drink.
Sleep.
What job does it look easy but it's actually hard?
I'm gonna say driving a forklift. It's harder than it looks.
I would say
You guys make it look easy.
Yeah, I would say describing wines. It looks like it should be simple, but it's always a tough one when you're actually put on the spot.
Yeah, no, that's actually a good one. Like talking about trying to describe something complicated in a simple way is like pretty difficult,
Well,
actually.
that was all, boys. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Is that edited or is it just like one